This electrical conductivity of substances, last class already most of the part is over. That means what are the good conductors of electricity, poor conductors, that means insulators, and how they are behaved. That means electrolyte, electrolysis is already over. Electroplating, the definition. Electroplating means that one experiment is there. Here electroplating means the coating of costlier metals on the cheap particles. Then only these articles are looks like a costlier metals. That means suppose take a iron one, copper coating, looks like copper article. Suppose iron article, silver coating, looks like silver articles. That means costlier metals are coated on a cheap metals. This process is called electroplating. By using electrolysis process and electrolyte, we can costlier metals are coated on a cheap particles. This is called electroplating. This is a 4 marks question. How to explain the electroplating process? Here, one lab activity is there. Write an activity on the basis of electroplating. The question is write an activity to verify the electroplating. Here A means iron particles are coated with copper by using the method of electroplating. That is the A. Iron particles are coated with copper by using electroplating method. That means iron particles are coated with copper by using electroplating method. What are the materials required? Here, the materials required means CuSO4 crystals, copper sulfate crystals, distilled water, glass beaker, copper wires, switch, battery, and another one iron key, dilute sulfuric acid. These are the materials required. Materials required means what are the materials required in this experiment. See this experiment. This is a glass beaker. In this glass beaker, what we pour copper sulfate solution and distilled water and dilute sulfuric acid. Here this is the copper plate. This is attached to the switch and battery positive, and this is iron key attached to the battery negative. If you press the switch, then circuit is closed. Circuit is closed means current is passing through the circuit. Immediately chemical reaction is started. This experiment conducted for about 10 minutes. After that, you can find out some copper is coating on iron key. Okay, first of all, see materials required. Copper sulfate crystals. Take copper sulfate crystals, and that is blue in color. In the beaker, take some copper sulfate crystals. Add the suppose 5 grams. After that, add 100 ml of distilled water. Mix them. Then copper sulfate solution is ready. If you want to increase more copper sulfate, then you can add. It depends upon the concentration. Okay, next one. In this glass beaker, what we place? This is a copper plate. This copper plate is 2 into 5 centimeter. Take a copper plate, that is a rectangular copper plate. The copper plate is hanged in this solution by using the copper wire. This copper wire, this is connected to the switch. And take an iron key. Generally, iron key is there. New iron key means that is finishing is very nice. That is some lustrous and shining ఉంటుంది. But you take the iron key with a rough surface. Take a sandpaper and rub it. Then the surface is rough. Take a rough surface iron key. This is hanged to the battery negative. If you press the switch means immediately current is passed. Current is passed. Chemical reaction is started. What is the chemical reaction started? This copper sulfate, when current is passing through this divided into copper and sulfate ions. Copper and sulfate ions. What is the need of adding this dilute sulfuric acid? This sulfuric acid is useful to increase the electrical conductivity of that liquid. Suppose pure copper sulfate, sometimes electricity not passing properly. By adding some quantity of acid, more quantity of electricity is passed immediately. That means we can increase the electrical conductivity of this liquid. After some time, what happened? Some part of this copper plate is dissolved, and this how many grams of copper sulfate is dissolved? The copper as it is coated uniformly on this iron key. After 10 minutes, you can find out stop the switch, find out the iron key. That iron key become copper coated. This process is called electroplating. Here first one, see, write an experiment, write an activity to verify electroplating. That is the question. Write an activity to verify electroplating. A means you can verify that means iron particles are coated with copper by using electroplating method. Otherwise, by using electroplating method, you can verify the experiment in a laboratory. Okay, what are the materials required? Materials requirement, what are the materials to take in this activity? Write all this. Copper sulfate crystals, distilled water, glass beaker, copper wires, switch, battery, iron key, dilute sulfuric acid, copper plate. Take all these things. Copper plate size is 2 into 5 centimeters. 5 inches, okay. This procedure means first take the beaker, take 5 grams or 10 grams of copper sulfate, dissolved in 100 ml of distilled water. Copper sulfate solution is ready, and take an iron key, rub it with a sandpaper. After that, it is hanged by using a copper wire connected to the battery. and take copper plate 2 into 5 centimeter inches. That copper plate is connected to the copper wires hanging to the positive terminal of the battery and switch. Suppose press the switch means current is passing, and in this solution add some quantity of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid used means using this sulfuric acid, electrical conductivity increases. That means reaction fastly takes place. After 10 minutes or 5 minutes, you can observe the iron key. Some copper is deposited on this. Suppose initially we find out this copper plate. Suppose 15 grams. Initial mass is 15 grams. After 10 minutes, again find out the mass. Suppose that is 13 grams. So the difference is 2 grams. 2 grams of copper is deposited uniformly on this iron. Whatever the mass is decreases in the copper plate, same mass is deposited on the iron. So if you want to deposit the copper, then copper sulfate solution. Suppose silver. Suppose if you use the silver is deposited coating as a in this electroplating process. That silver chloride, silver nitrate solution like this depends upon the metal. You take the solution also different. Okay, this is the electroplating process. Chemical reaction is like this. Copper sulfate formula CaSO4. Electricity is passed or dissolved in water. Electricity passed means this copper sulfate divided by positive and negative ions. Cu plus 2 and sulfate minus 2. These positive copper ions are going towards the negative terminal of battery. Here key is connected to the negative of the battery. This positive going to the anode cathode part. Cathode means negative terminal of battery. What are the sulfate ions? Sulfate ions means minus 2. These are going positive. That means some copper is come out from the copper. This copper sulfate deposited as it is like this. Next, what is the uses of copper plating? What are the uses? Here first one is cheap particles. What are the cheap particles? These are all coating with costlier metals. That is one thing. That means cheap particles also looks like a costlier one. And another one is machinery parts. Generally machinery parts, what happened? Machineries are made up of iron. These iron particles after some days, what happened? Corrosion. Corrosion means they react with water vapor and oxygen to form moisture. That means to form rust. Rust means iron oxide. To avoid this formation of the corrosion, that machinery parts are coated with zinc, nickel or zinc coated, and automobiles also. In the automobiles means how much time is over? Automobiles. In the automobiles also various parts are used for the different vehicles. These parts, the automobiles means different parts of the vehicles. These parts of vehicles also coated with nickel, chromium, zinc like this to avoid the formation of rust. And fourth one is decoration. Decoration means decoration, ornamentation. Decoration and ornamentation. Ornaments means 1 gram gold. That means looks like gold ornaments, but it is not completely gold. Decoration means some silver articles, gold coated articles. These are used in the functions for the decorating. These decoration articles, ornaments, these are also used in the functions, all these things. So these are the different uses of electroplating. Sometimes in the kitchen, you use generally we use the stainless steel, looks like stainless steel gas stoves, but it's not a stainless steel. Generally, they are chromium coated gas stoves. That means iron articles are coated with chromium. It looks like silver. It looks like stainless steel. And zinc coated, zinc and bridges, construction of bridges. During the construction of bridges, in this bridges construction also we use the electroplating process. Zinc is coated on the machine different parts of the iron, then to avoid the formation of rust. These are the several uses of electroplating. Generally, this is a 2 marks question. Okay, how they are giving questions means here first one is define electroplating. Define electroplating. This is 1 mark question. Or what is electroplating? Write an activity to verify electroplating. This is 4 marks question. Third one, write the uses of electroplating. This is 2 marks question. Okay, fourth question is which energy is used for glowing of bulb in electrolytic cell. Suppose electrolytic cell is there. What is the which energy is used for glowing of bulb? Glowing of bulb means chemical energy. Generally, this is 1 mark question. Here, fifth question is what is an electrolyte? What is an electrolyte? This is 1 mark question. What is an electrolyte means? Generally, solids. Already you know very well solids. Solids are good conductors. Metals are good conductors. Copper, silver, all these things. That means the solids substances which allows the current freely or heat freely, those are all called conductors. Here, electrolyte means the liquid conductors. The liquids, some liquids allows the current freely, those are called liquid conductors or electrolytes. Last question is what do you add? What do you add to distilled water to make a good conductor? Suppose distilled water is there. Distilled water is a poor conductor. That is a non-electrolyte. Non-electrolyte means electricity does not pass through that solution. That means through the distilled water. Why means there is no formation of ions in the distilled water. How to make it a good conductor? How to make it an electrolyte? By adding any acid or base or any impurity or minerals, then the distilled water will become good conductor or electrolyte. Why? Another question also, why do we add acid is added to the distilled water to make it a good conductor? That also another question. Suppose if after addition of acid, what happened? The formation of the positive and negative ions and cations and anions are formed after addition of. That means any acid is dissolved in water, base is dissolved in water, formation of positive and negative ions are formed, cations and anions are formed in this solution. Then only it behaves as a good conductor. These negatively or positively charged ions responsible for the carrying of electric charges. So these are the questions 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. This is also 1 mark, total 10 marks. Today these are the completed. This chapter is over. Here first one is define electroplating. Electroplating means you write the definition. This is a process in which by using electrolyte and electrodes we can coat the cheap or costlier metals are coated on the cheap particles. This process is called electroplating. Here write an activity to verify electroplating means recently just few minutes back I explained the whatever the activity, that activity you can write. Next, uses of electroplating means write any 2 uses, depends upon the question. Sometimes this question is given 4 marks. You must take four important uses. Here first one is electroplating means whatever first user costlier metals are coated on cheap particles. Second one, various machinery parts are coated with nickel or zinc to avoid corrosion. Generally, after using machinery parts slowly, they become corrode. That means become corrosion is formed, rust is formed, they damage. That is not useful further. To avoid that problem, these are all coated with zinc or nickel. Next, automobile parts, various vehicle parts, these are all coated with zinc or nickel or chromium. Decoration articles, ornamentation, in this also this process is used. Construction of bridges. During construction of bridges, some iron rollers or iron girders are used in this construction part. In this construction also we use different electroplating methods. Different, that means by using chromium, nickel or zinc like this. These are the questions. Okay, which energy is used to growing the bulb in electrolytic cell? That means chemical energy. Battery means chemical energy converted into electrical energy. What is an electrolyte? Electrolyte means liquids which allows the current freely, those are called electrolytes. What do you add to distilled water to make a good conductor? That means by adding small quantity of acid or base or impurities, then it becomes a good conductor. Why means this suppose acid is dissolved in water, there are positive and negative ions. That means these cations and anions are formed. These positive and negatively charged ions are responsible for the formation of for the movement of electric charges. So total 10 marks. This chapter is completed.